Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change a private group on Telegram into public. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. But first of all, make sure that you have already downloaded and installed this application if you haven't done it yet. So let's get started. First of all, open Telegram on your phone. So Telegram is an online platform that allows you to share text messages, photos, videos, stickers, and even links to your contact. It also allows you to create groups and host channels. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a group from private to public. So first of all, open the group that you want to change the settings of. Make sure that you are the admin of this particular group. Only then you can change the settings. Then at the top, you will see the name of this group. Click on the name. And then right at the top right corner, right next to those three little dots, you will see a pen icon. Click on that pen icon. You will see a lot of options about this particular group, and there somewhere in middle you will see group type. Click there. So you will see what kind of group it is, either it is private or public. Right now it is a private group, and to change it into public, you simply need to click on public group. And then you will have to create a link for your group. And after you create a link, click on the tick mark at the top right corner. That's it. You have now successfully changed your private group into public, and with the link that you have created, anyone will be able to join this particular group. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more updates.